Boa tarde. Very good afternoon. Selamat siang. Exselensia Ambassador Malaysia, Ambassador namanya Pak Majid dan Ibu yang tercinta. All our development partners, ambassadors, all excellency, thank you very much. Very happy to see you again this afternoon. Welcome to Malaysia, my expo. It is a great honor for me to stand here today as we celebrate the opening of the Malaysia Expo in Dili with the theme ASEAN Bazaar. Jadi bazarnya ASEAN saja. Bringing ASEAN to you, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the Embassy of Malaysia, the whole embassy, the whole family, semuanya, in Timor-Leste, for organizing this wonderful event. It's not only bringing us closer from people to people, but especially you're also bringing more knowledge for our people here. For example, trade, tourism, culture. We are seeing now for the opening. How beautiful is it? Malaysia is one. If I can see now, join. So beautiful, Dato. This expo is not just about food, culture, or education, but it is about unity. It is about vision. It is about preparing ourselves to work together as one family and one ASEAN. And for Timor-Leste, this has been something very important. It is a step closer to our dream of becoming a full member of ASEAN family. Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the attempt to bring in ASEAN to you is a powerful one. It reminds us that ASEAN is not far away, but ASEAN is here in Dili today.